Do you want to make your own web form without HTML or coding? Do you want to ask questions from your community like questionnaires, quiz, surveys, stats, and a lot more things? Or you're hiding and you want to know each candidate's capabilities before you start interviewing with them? This will help you to shortlist your candidates in very less time. Well, I'm gonna teach you guys how to create Google Form, how you can get Google Form shareable link, and how you can collect responders' email addresses. Please keep watching this video till end. Don't skip it if you want to understand something. Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are fine and well. I'm 𝐒𝐤𝐢𝐚 from 𝐒𝐨𝐜𝐤𝐢𝐚 fun YouTube channel, back again with a new video. In this video, I will show you guys how to create Google Form, and I will make one Google Form in front of you guys to teach you guys how it works, how you can get Google Form shareable link, and how you can collect responders' email addresses. Before walking ahead towards our topic, I would like to request all of you guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. Let's jump into my screen to see how it works.
First of all, open your Chrome browser and make sure to log in your Google account. Now write Google Forms in search bar. Open first link. Click on Go to Forms. Here you can select templates if you need a form similar to these. Recently I made this form and now I'm gonna click blank because I want to show you guys how to create it in customized way for anything else like jobs, surveys, stats, questionnaires and quiz, etc. Okay, now I want to create it for a job. I'll post this job. I'll copy that title and paste it here. Now this was job name. I also have to write file name over here like that. Okay, now I will copy that job description from here. Now I will start adding questions from here. Like, what is your experience? Option 1, 1 year experience. Just click here and it will add one more option automatically. Question number 2, 2 year experience. Option 3, more than 2 year experience. Option 4, no experience but I know the work. You can change it to any situation from here, but I want to ask multiple choices, and that's what normally people use in Google Forms. Now click here to add another question. Where you worked before? See, here is a short answer selected. Means I can just write a question here for viewer to write the answer, which I can see in the responses tab. But I want to add choices over here, so I will select multiple choice. Option 1, Google. Option 2, eBay. Option 3, Amazon. Option 4, any other. Here is one more thing, that is this required button. What does it mean? It means if we will turn it on, then no one can skip this question to submit this form. This is amazing. I'll also turn it on for this first question. Okay, now here I'll add question number 3. Look at previous question where I made fourth option as any other. Here I can ask which any other company he worked on before. For that, I'll select a short answer here. Any other mention here. I made it as required, so it's not skippable. Here I'm gonna add fourth question. What do you expect from this job? I'll select multiple choice here. Option number 1, $2,000 per month. Option 2, $4,000 per month. Option 3, $5,000 per month. Option 4, agree to do internship basis. I'll turn on required button for that also. Here we can add more questions, as many as we want. In the responses tab, you will get responses from those who filled your form. Now let's check how to share it with others. Click on send. You can see you can invite people through email addresses. You can also share it through this link. Just copy that and share it where you want. Let's open it in other tab to see how it looks. Anyone can fill it from here, and you will see their responses in the responses tab. You can also shorten this link by checking this box. Now if you want to collect email addresses from those filling this form, then check this box, collect emails. You can check out more settings from here. Please explore it with yourself, it's so easy.
I hope you guys will like this informative video. If yes, then please hit the like button, and if you have any questions, then please reach out to me on Instagram. I will definitely reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. We'll be me soon in the next video. Take care of yourself, your family. Allah Hafiz.